Want to know how to log in to your WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, simply open up your favorite website and hit towards URL and type in wordpress.com. Now once you're under wordpress.com, you should be directed to its official website and it should look something like this. And now once you're there, on the top right side right here you can see login, that should be right beside get started. Just simply select it. Now once you're selected, here you can see your email address or username that you can type in if you had logged in with just email. But if you had linked or created an account with Google, Apple or any other stores, right here you can just simply select it. Now I'll just go for Google as I had registered with Google last time. Now just simply choose up your account, and after that is done, you should be automatically logged into WordPress after a while. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now you can just open up Gmail for verification and you will be back on track. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.